Hello and welcome back to Miss Piana's math lesson videos. Today, before we get started, we are going to announce Student of the Week from last week. Drum roll, please. From period 1, we have David. David, great job catching up on all your checkpoints and coming to the Google Meet this week. From period 5, the Student of the Week is Anaya. Great job always handing in your checkpoints on time and having really great explanations. And from period 5, Jade, wonderful job helping me out on Google Meet, being the host, and handing in all your checkpoints. Really proud of everyone and their hard work from last week. So today, I'm going to go over the lesson so that you're able to do checkpoint number 7. One new vocabulary word that you're going to need to know is the word solution. So when we talk about finding solutions for inequalities, we're talking about a value or a number that makes the inequality true. We're going to go over that today. So we're talking about the inequality x is greater than -1. Okay? So you may have seen something similar to this. This is called an inequality. And any number that we can plug in for x that makes this statement true is a solution. So let's come up with some solutions. What is a number that's bigger than -1? I want you to think about it for a minute. Write it down on a piece of paper. Think about it in your head. What is a number, any number, that's bigger than -1? So I know that 100 is bigger than -1. In fact, now that I think about it, any number that's a positive number is going to be bigger than -1 because positive numbers are always bigger than negative numbers. So I can think of any positive number. Let's think about 1, just 1. 1 is bigger than -1, and 0 actually comes to the right of -1. So 0 would also be bigger than -1. We could keep going. We could pick any positive number or any number between -1 and 0. Any number bigger than -1 to the right of -1. There are endless solutions. When we have endless solutions, we say that there are infinite solutions. Okay, you're going to need to know that for checkpoint number 7. There are infinite solutions that make this true for x to be greater than -1. So let's write this on our number line. Our first step is to decide where we're starting. -1. So we're going to start at -1 right here. Our second step is to decide if it's going to be an open circle or a closed circle. Since there is no line underneath the inequality sign, it's going to be an open circle. And last step, we need to decide where the arrow should point. So since x is bigger than -1, we want to point in the direction of the numbers that are bigger than -1. So we're going to make the arrow go all the way this way. Okay, and that is all you need to know for checkpoint number 7. Please go on to Summit, find checkpoint number 7, request feedback, and if you have any questions, you know where to find me. I will see you next time on Miss Piana's math lesson videos.